Welcome to this MOBOTIX short clip tutorial. My name is Florian, enjoy the video. In this tutorial we will talk about the playback view of the MxBell app from MOBOTIX, a free of charge app available in the iOS App Store and the Google Play Store. Before we start, be sure that the recordings are enabled in the camera. Once I'm in the live view of my camera, I have the possibility to use a shortcut to get into the playback view. I just have to tap the upper right icon. First I see my latest recording. I can tap the play button to play the clip, go fast backwards or fast forward, and I can tap through my recordings in a chronological order. What I can also do is set a timestamp, so a specific time and date, and the closest recording will be displayed. Also, I can get into the playback view over my main navigation, tap playback, and I get a list of all of my cameras.